Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create an account on Badoo. So I'll be showing you step-by-step tutorial, so then make sure to watch this video till the end. First of all, make sure that you've already installed the application from your device's app store. If you have successfully installed the application, all you need to do is tap on open or just tap on it. So after you open up your Badoo application, this is what the interface is going to look like. So you have a different method to sign up into your account. First of all, you can either select your gender, or you can simply continue with your Facebook or your Google. So then select the method that is convenient for you. So after you select the sign up method, next you have to create a username, and once you're done, tap on continue, which is right at the bottom. Right over here you have to select the reason for joining. So you have three different options, so select it accordingly. And once you select here, tap on continue. On the other interface, you have to enter your date of birth. After you're done entering the date of birth, tap on continue. Now you have to link your contact information, so you can either use your email or your phone number. Now you need to upload a photo. For that, tap on the plus icon right in center. Now you have to enter the location, so tap on the search bar and then type in your address. Create a password, so make sure to create a strong password. Now you have a terms and conditions, so make sure to go through it all, and after that tap on I accept. So after that you have some questionnaires, so make sure to go through it and you need to select it accordingly. As you can see that the Badoo account has been created, and that is how you can create Badoo account on your device. So that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.